the story of sea turtles on the move teaches us an important lesson about purpose, effort, and persistence. We all know that sea turtles are slow creatures on land. Every single step on land takes tremendous effort. And each step doesn't get them very far. But every year, without fail, in the warmest months in June, female sea turtles will leave their comfort of the water to make a painstaking journey on land. They will navigate to the beach with one purpose in mind: to find a suitable nesting site to lay their eggs. For the eggs to survive and have a chance of hatching, sea turtles must lay their eggs on land, as the eggs need to breathe air and cannot survive in the water. Sea turtles are not fast or strong creatures, but they leave their comfort zone and place themselves in danger. They are not deterred, and they have a clear purpose. In life, it is the same. We need to find our purpose or our calling. Perhaps we know what is the life that we dream of having, or we have a goal that we would like to achieve. Having a purpose helps us stay focused. It sets us up with the right motivations and mindset to take the right actions. And sometimes, we need to step out of our comfort zone if we want to go somewhere. Like the sea turtles, they stay undeterred. Not only do they get onto the beach, they do not stop until they are far enough inland where they find a safe spot to nest. Sometimes, when people find sea turtles on land, they help to move them back to the water. But the sea turtle simply turn around and go back in the opposite direction. And they do so over and over again until they get to their destination. For they know that if they keep going, they will accomplish their purpose. Sea turtles teach us about persistence and effort. They can struggle with each step, but they just do not quit. They know that their purpose needs to be supported by putting in the effort. They might not be the smartest or fastest creatures, but they succeed by making persistence and determination their habit. The next time you feel exhausted or lacking enthusiasm, think about the sea turtles and their story of purpose, effort, and persistence. Step out of your comfort zone if you need. Even if you get detoured along the way or you do not get the outcome you want now, keep going, and you will be humbled by what you can accomplish. Thank you for your time with us. I hope you have found this audio guide useful. For more audio guides to life, subscribe to this channel.